Hey guys, I just wanted to give y'all just a quick thing that I wanted to talk about. I'll probably be uploading this on Sunday. But I'm telling you, people are a trip. That AC guy, which I don't know what's going on with the other person, the electrician, he still ain't said nothing to my realtor. But it just amazed me how especially when I'm dealing with my own people, how I just can't stand it sometimes. This AC guy, when he came, because this the third AC guy. So when he was here or whatever, I can tell he wasn't really thoroughly like looking at stuff, but now I got the proof and I know I went crazy. Okay, all of a sudden he tells me, "Oh, I'll be back at 3:30 because he had got to my house. I forgot which day it was, but it was on the weekday before Friday of my Shabbat. I ain't hear from him no more. It was like days. We didn't hear nothing from him. And that same day that he came out to my house for the first time, it was somewhere around, I say about 12 o'clock, because he didn't even come on time. He told me he was gonna be here at 11:45 that day, and he didn't come until like after 12 something. It was like a whole almost an hour late. And so when he looked at the situation, like I told y'all, he didn't really thoroughly look at the situation. And then he tells me, "I'm gonna be back this the same day today at 3:30. I said, "Okay, you got my number, right?" Yeah, I got your number, because me and him had been communicating that way. That's how I found out he would be able to come at 11:45 a.m. The first time of him coming. Okay, I ain't hear nothing from him. Me and my realtor email messaged each other back and forth. I'm saying to her, "No, I have not got in touch with him." And then then it started turning on me. I'm like, okay, he has my number. Why is he not communicating with me? He didn't have a problem communicating with me before. So like, why is he not communicating with me when he has my number? So that's that. I don't care what nobody tries to make excuses for this person. This person has my number. The same way that they talking to my realtor, they can talk to me. That's some BS and hogwash. So I get some more updates um about the AC guy coming. So this is what makes me sick with dealing with my own people. Now the person already know that about my Shabbat. And the thing is that they don't understand, when you do Shabbat, the people around you and people can't come on your property on Shabbat because you don't supposed to buy, sell, or work. Now, granted, people that do fire department jobs or law enforcement or hospital jobs where they have to work 24 hours, or it might be they week to work that 7-day shift, or one of those shifts where they have to work on Shabbat. I'm not talking about that, but when you can control the situation and you can observe it correctly, then you should observe it correctly. In my situation, I can observe it correctly because I don't have that type of situation. So to make myself clear, I can't let AC people or technicians come on my property on Shabbat. That's breaking the Shabbat. And people don't understand it. They don't observe these days. So it amazed me, people want to come when it's convenient for them. When they were supposed to come back on the same day that they communicated with you, but you never heard from them for days later. Now they want to just pop up out of the blue, still not communicate with you, communicating with a whole nother person. That's why I said, boy, I'm telling you, I'm sick of this. When this person get this done on Sunday at 9:30 a.m., I'll be glad about it. I'll be glad about it when this person get this done at 9:30 a.m. I'll be glad, so I ain't got to deal with this person no more. And then I'll be having to deal with my realtor once again for this last more situation with this light bulb. And then that's it. And everything that I'm saying on this video, I can say it to the person on face. I can say, because ain't like nobody talking behind nobody back. Everything I'm saying right here, I can say it again. So I ain't got time, because it just amazes me how people are, and then they want to interrupt you on your Shabbat when they were supposed to come when they was supposed to come that same day that they had that they was there looking at the situation. And then one more last thing before I digress, people. I get some proof and evidence that the person tells another person, oh, yeah, I wasn't able to thoroughly access the situation due to the family issues. Bam, there go proof right there. That's why I said that day that the AC guy was at my house when he was supposed to be doing the work on the AC. I knew somewhere adding up when he was like, oh, I'll come back today at 3:30 and never came, never heard back from him no more. Yeah, because you had some things going on that you weren't communicating with me about, and that's wrong. That's why I said if he ever do on Sunday at 9:30, yeah, and then gonna have the audacity and obligated gall to tell my realtor that he was there at 4 o'clock, but nobody was at home. Yeah, these people so full of crap. Ain't nobody tell me nothing and communicate with me. He ain't call me, he ain't communicate with me, but you can call me and communicate with me and call my phone when you first came that first time. So what was the problem with calling and letting me know what's going on? You never showed up on the same day that you came that day, but all of a sudden you can communicate with my realtor and tell her, oh, you've been by there at 4 o'clock. On what day and on when? Because I was looking for you all day Friday. So whatever, because ain't nobody come to my house at no 4 p.m. Yeah, people are a trip, man. I'm telling you. I don't care how nobody take it that watch this video. That I don't care. And the last thing I wanted to say too, that's why I was kind of recapping with my realtor about the situation when she said, well, it's not going to make any delays. It's just you need it done before 5 days. But if the AC ain't fixed, like, I'm just going to leave that alone because that's confusion in my head too, because that's all I meant when I said delay. That's a delay. Like now the person is saying like, yeah, she needs to get this fixed or whatever before, because she has the appraisal on Monday. Okay, so that's the same thing I was saying too, not trying to be funny. I'm just, and I can say this to the person face too that I'm saying on this video. I'm just kind of getting fed up with stuff, man. That's all I was saying. Maybe I was miswording my words, but that's all I was trying to say. That like when I say delay, maybe I need to say it in a better way. Like I'm trying to get these things done before the appraisal. I'm not really necessarily saying that it's going to delay our appraisal. I just really was trying to say that I thought that I need my AC fixed before the appraisal comes out here. The appraisal person comes out here. Because if they're appraising my house, that means they're going to be inspecting things. Now, I could be wrong, a misunderstanding, but now that I'm understanding your end of it, and now you going back and saying, oh, she has the appraisal on Monday, so she needs to get this done. Okay, so that's why I told you when I said that me having this AC not fixed, that's kind of bringing delays on the situation of the appraisal. Not saying that the person can't come out and do the appraisal because the AC ain't fixed, but that might count against me. And anyways, guys, I think y'all get what I'm saying. Maybe I misworded what I was trying to say and she misunderstood what I was trying to say. And that's why she said, no, it don't have to do nothing with delays. You just need it done before 5 days. And it can still probably mean that way to her. So, you know, whatever. I just be glad when this is all done. That's all I'm saying, because I'm getting sick of it. Hey guys, I was saying I ended up getting an update from my realtor, and basically the guy is supposed to be coming out basically tomorrow. However, she forgot. I've been eating, sorry about that, guys. She forgot that I had told her on Tuesday that I'll be also starting the day of the Feast of Tabernacles. So normally, like on the first day and the last day, we it's observed like a Shabbat. So since she didn't, be aware, since she forgot about that, I basically had to just go with him coming by on Sunday to get this thing situated. So by the time my appraisal come up, it'll be everything will be pretty much done and already taken care of when the appraisal come up on Monday. And she basically cleared up and verified with me that you still will have 5 days to do the AC with the repairs. But she was just trying to be concerned about me and just trying to help me out with just getting these things done so they completely, taken care of. And that she's trying to do the best she can with me being in the financial hardship that I'm in. And she was just basically giving me an option to probably like use someone else if I could. But the problem is like she was making the point I don't have money up front. So I couldn't get nobody to come out. So I'm pretty much just gonna have to deal with it. So she was just telling me don't stress out about it or whatever. But I just want to say this. It's hard being in financial hardship and being in certain situations, because if you wasn't in certain situations, common sense, you wouldn't be asking nobody for help at all. You would just pretty much take care of it on your own. So I just wanted to give y'all like an update on it. So hopefully y'all willing tomorrow I get a lot more stuff done, because before you know it, I'll be basically, I don't know what the hell that was. I'll basically be done with everything and be ready to sign this house and get rid of everything in here. I pretty much got some things down so far in my house, but I still got a few things that I got to get up out of here before the 31st. So I pray, you know what I'm saying? I already prayed to the Most High that the AC guy will be able to fix the AC tomorrow. And that's it, guys, because I'm all over the place. So hopefully he can fix that, because I am stressed. This shit is stressing me the hell out. Once he fix this, and hopefully so, because I hate when people have to do this and that because I don't have money up front and things got to come out my proceeds and stuff like that, or I don't have monies up front to take care of things, and then you put in a vulnerable situations. So like I just be glad when I'm not in. Everybody gonna always go through financial hardships. That's just part of life. But it is much easier. Money is a defense, and it is much easier when you have money or whatever. But guys, I'm gonna continue to ask for donations. That's what else I want to say. I'm gonna continue to ask for donations whether I have money or not, because when you're living the lifestyle I'm finna convert into, you gonna always need money for repairs, anything breaking down. So guys, I've been asking y'all over and over again, and I have been giving it a break, but I'm asking y'all again if you can cash out me, PayPal me, and I'll put it up on here for you to scan. Or if you want to go to the description box below this video and look for all the ways to donate with the 2 blue butterflies, please do so. If you don't feel comfortable giving me money or a few dollars, because it's not like I'm telling you to give me a certain amount of money. You just simply give what you can afford to give. If you don't feel comfortable doing that because you don't know me, then if you feel comfortable going on my Amazon wish list and buying some items that I really need for this Nomad journey that I'm going into. So if you can help in any kind of way you can, please do that, guys. Like, I'm not making this stuff up, and when I keep asking y'all for help, I actually need help. So if y'all could please help me out, because I'm trying to what you call it when you just trying to get up, stay above water. I'm just trying to stay above water until my signing and my proceeds come through. So that's gonna be like the end of this month on the 31st to the November the 1st. So if y'all could like send me like a few dollars through Cashapp or PayPal, and if you don't want to do that, you can go through my Amazon wish list. If you don't want to do that, you can sign up through my referral links. If you don't want to do that, just simply like, share, and subscribe. If you don't want to do that at all, just like. If you don't want to do any of them, that's fine too. Anyways, guys, take care.